Welcome to this Steelcase Education instructional video on the Eno rechargeable stylus. After viewing this video, you will be able to understand the stylus features, set up and use the stylus with Eno board, and apply best use suggestions when operating and charging the stylus. The Eno stylus is a receiver and transmitter of information, much like an eye receiving and sending information to the brain. The stylus receives and sends information to your computer via the receiver. The computer then responds with appropriate action. The rechargeable stylus features a high-resolution camera beneath the tip, which reads an invisible dot pattern on the Eno board surface and magnetic icon strip. Thanks to this model being rechargeable, the cost and waste of replacement batteries is eliminated. The body of the stylus features an ergonomic, balanced feel, making it comfortable to hold and use. You'll notice the stylus has an on-off button, which when covered with the cap, prevents users from accidentally turning off the stylus when using it on the Eno board. The stylus does not feature an auto off or sleep mode feature, and it will be constantly powered on until the off button is pressed. You'll notice the constant green LED whenever the stylus is powered on. A 4-step process is needed to complete setup for your rechargeable stylus upon initial use. First, you must charge the stylus for 4 or more hours before using it with the Eno board. Charge the unit by connecting the stylus to your computer using the USB charging cable and power the computer on. The host computer must be turned on for the power to be supplied to the USB charging cable. You'll see a constant red LED on the stylus while the unit is charging. The LED changes to green when the unit is fully charged. Next, download the most recent version of the Eno app from the website listed on screen. Upon completion of the Eno app installation, on-screen prompts will guide you through the pairing process for the rechargeable stylus to your Bluetooth device. Call Steelcase Technical Support at 1-800-334-4922 if you experience any difficulty pairing the stylus. When you touch and hold the stylus to the surface of the Eno board, you should be prompted with a green screen to calibrate using the interactive targets, which now move across the screen. So, to review the 4 steps: first, charge the stylus, download the Eno app, pair the stylus to the receiver, and calibrate. Once your rechargeable stylus has been charged and paired to the Eno receiver, upon powering up the stylus, you should see a "Your stylus is connected" message appear on your display. You're ready to interact with your Eno board. The angle at which you hold the stylus in relation to the Eno board or the magnetic icon strip is important. The camera under the stylus tip must be able to read the dot pattern on the board and strip, so hold the tip directly on the surface. The body of the stylus should be held perpendicular to the board. If you require instructions on how to use the icons on the magnetic icon strip, please refer to the how-to video on the Eno icon strip or the at-a-glance document on the Eno icon strip. The expected lifespan of this rechargeable device is more than 3 years. Avoid completely draining the battery to 0% charge to extend the lifespan of the unit. You must plug the USB charging cable into a computer that is powered on to actively charge. Or, if you prefer, you can charge your stylus without a computer using an AC adapter with USB input. You'll know the stylus is fully charged when you see the red LED on the underside of the unit change to green. This indicates a 100% charge has been achieved. Let's talk battery life. The rechargeable battery will provide power for 7 hours of continuous contact with the Eno board. Since users are rarely in constant contact with the stylus to the Eno board, you can estimate the battery will provide approximately 10 or more hours operation without recharge. If the stylus is powered on, but no Bluetooth connection is available with the Eno receiver, for example, you turn off the host computer but forget to turn off the rechargeable stylus, you can estimate 60 hours of operation in standby mode. You should turn off the stylus when not in use for an extended period of time. The LED will glow constant green as long as the unit is powered on. To check the battery status of your rechargeable stylus, use the Eno app, Status tab, and then click on the stylus in the product list. You'll see the battery charge available on screen. There are two indicator lights on the rechargeable stylus, one in the middle of the stylus body and one near the charging port. Let's explore the light on the body first. The color and rate of blinking reflect the status of the stylus, as indicated in the on-screen chart. The second indicator light is near the charging port. It indicates the charging state of the stylus, either with no light, a red steady light, or a green steady light. Let's talk stylus care. The rechargeable stylus is covered by a 3-year warranty from date of purchase. If cared for properly, the Eno stylus should provide years of reliable service. The stylus has been designed to stand up to the rigors of the classroom, such as an occasional drop to the floor. You should avoid exposing the stylus to liquids, moisture, and extreme temperatures. If needed, clean the body of the stylus with a dry or slightly damp cloth. Never submerge your stylus in liquids. Teachers should secure the stylus when not in use, such as over long weekends, holiday breaks, or summer vacation. The tip of the rechargeable stylus is removable and can be replaced. 2 replacement tips were included in a clear vial with the shipment of your stylus. To replace the stylus tip, gently grasp the tip of the stylus and carefully pull firmly to remove the existing tip. Replace with one of the new tips that accompanied your Eno rechargeable stylus. Note the notch on the tip to help ensure proper installation. Twist the tip as needed to ensure proper alignment in the stylus body. It's important to note that the stylus tips for the battery-operated stylus and the rechargeable stylus are not interchangeable. Tips for the rechargeable stylus are lighter gray in color, whereas the battery-operated stylus tips are solid black. The stylus tip may wear down from the friction of normal use on the Eno board, causing it to need to be replaced after 12 to 18 months of consistent use. Only slight pressure is needed when using the stylus on the board. Keep the stylus tip in constant contact with the board as you allow it to glide across the surface. If the stylus tip breaks off, contact your IT department or Steelcase technical support by phone at 1-800-334-4922. Now that you've watched this video presentation on the Eno rechargeable stylus, it is your turn to apply what you have learned. Try one or more of the following to begin developing your confidence and skill. Complete the 4-step setup procedure and begin using your rechargeable stylus. Turn the stylus on with the power button and look for the on-screen confirmation that indicates your stylus is connected. Then turn the stylus off again. Design and implement a plan to teach users, perhaps students, how to care for and maintain the rechargeable stylus properly. Document the Steelcase technical support number in a location you can easily find should you need it in the future. This video introduced you to the special features and functionality of the Eno rechargeable stylus and provided you some suggestions for charging, basic use, and care. If you tried the tasks in the Your Turn section, you have practiced some of these functions. Like any new skill, further practice and ongoing application will improve your confidence and level of expertise. Thank you for watching.